Hello, doctor? Today's Flux.2 drop has given me some serious whiplash. Last week, Nano Banana Pro was unprecedented. Then Flux.2 swoops in with extreme photoreal images, world knowledge, multi-reference, the new frontier of visual intelligence. Need a prescription for acute model release overload? We've got just the thing. 2 free workflows for running Flux.2 via Cloudflare's inference platform or Fal.ai. This is the AI beat, with AI agents A to Z. Flux.2 is truly flexin'. Sharper textures, more stable lighting, spatial logic, and open weight model fans? Rejoice! Here's the workflow we'll use to test our 2 sub-workflows. Flux.2 via Cloudflare for text-to-image generation, and Flux.2 via Fal for image editing. We'll need to configure our sub-workflows. Let's start with the Fal one. Go to your Fal account, click Manage, select API keys, and add a new key. Create a key, and copy it to paste it into n8n. In the Fal sub-workflow, open the Generate Image node, and under Header Auth, create a new credential. For name, type authorization. For value, type key, space, and paste in your API key. Do the same in the Get Status of the image node. Now for the Cloudflare sub-workflow. Go to your Cloudflare account, click Manage Account, Account API Tokens, and click Create Token. From Templates, select Workers AI. Under Permissions, click Add More, select Account Settings, then set the read permission. Continue to Summary, and create the token. Copy the token to paste into n8n. In the sub-workflow, open the Get Accounts node. Under Bearer Auth, create a new credential, and paste in your token. Make sure to do the same in the Generate Image node. Now in our main workflow, you'll need to select the sub-workflows. In this node, select the Flux.2 image edit via Fal sub-workflow. Double check that your workflow inputs are as seen on this screen. In this node, select the Flux.2 text-to-image via Cloudflare sub-workflow. Now we're ready to test. Hit Execute Workflow and we'll first generate an image using the Cloudflare sub-workflow. I'll paste in my image prompt for a business cat enjoying his time in France. And here's our image. A nice 3D render. Now keep in mind, Cloudflare's Workers AI gives you 10,000 free neurons per day. This means you can generate about 3 images per day for free. If you go above this amount, it'll cost around 3 cents per image. Let's save this, and now we can edit our image. Hit Execute Workflow, and let's select the Fal sub-workflow. Upload our previous image, and add a prompt for how you'd like to edit the image, like changing the baguette into a croissant. Select an aspect ratio, and click Submit. And here's our edit. Make sure to check Fal for input and output pricing, and track your credits. Want more free ways to generate AI images? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe. And that's the AI